What is up, guys? Welcome to the week of April 21st. We're going to be doing a weekly outlook this week. So if we look at the Forex factory calendar, no news on Monday. So definitely don't want to get into anything tomorrow. Could be heavy consolidation. First high impact news of the week, we have PMI at 9:45 on Tuesday a.m. and some orange folder news for home sales here at 10 a.m. So keep an eye out for that. Wednesday, no real big high impact news here, just some orange folder. No red folder news on Wednesday. So looks like Thursday could be a really good volatile day. We have unemployment at 8:30 and home sales at 10. So maybe 10:30 into 10:45, or the PM session could set up something good on Thursday. So Tuesday looks like a good day too. We could have a nice delivery on Tuesday. So Tuesday and Thursday, maybe Friday, look like some ideal days this week. Monday and Wednesday don't look very optimal for a trading environment, just looking ahead of time, right? That could change as we get more data from Monday and Tuesday. So we will stay out tomorrow. If we look at the daily time frame, we have definitely met a lot of our sell side objectives that we kind of were marking off on the daily from a couple outlooks ago. We finally displaced through this breaker in here. Never really came back up to tap it, which I was kind of anticipating us to tap into this daily fair value gap. But we were just very heavy with a lot of the world news that happened Thursday into Friday, right? So if you go into current price, we'll drop down. But I'm looking for us to look at this as a higher time frame market maker model. Lots of liquidity here, even down to the December lows and the new year, beginning of the year lows in here. So now that we've taken out some of the sell side, these are some sell sides that I'm looking for as the next draws. We did tap into this daily order block and a 4-hour order block. On the daily time frame, though, I'm looking at this bullish PD array and this bullish fair value gap in here that we now drove through, and this one as well that we've tapped into. But this one, I want to see us potentially come back up for a retracement, take out some more buy side liquidity in here, and then use this as a daily inversion in here. Okay, so potentially a retracement back up in here as an inversion gap. And so if we look into that area on the 4-hour time frame, right, we can drag this over. It lines up here with a 4-hour PD array. We have in here this 4-hour, and then we also have this 4-hour that we have not yet tapped into, which also lines up the bottom end of it here. So if we look at the order flow here, this is that daily breaker we've displaced through. So if we're going to have a heavy retracement, we could look up to come into this daily breaker, retest it, tap into this 4-hour gap, some more liquidity in here, and then roll over. Or if we get a shallow retracement, then I'm going to be looking for us to continue bearish order flow to our next sell side objective here near 16900 out of this 4-hour gap in here. Okay, so far we've opened up here and we're just kind of consolidating in here. So I want to see us potentially get up to this 4-hour and then have some sort of 15-minute market structure shift out of this 4-hour in here. potentially on Tuesday with the news. So kind of like consolidate Monday into Tuesday, tap into this 4 hour, and then head down for this sell side liquidity in here. So this is going to be your daily sell side external range liquidity. Okay. So that's kind of what I've been anticipating on NQ. ES is pretty similar here. Very bearish. Next draw, I would like to see us come down to this low in here. We also have a daily fair value gap resting just below these lows here. Come down to the 4 hour. We can see where NQ took out the low. ES failed to take this low out. So if we come back to NQ, here we can see we took this low, but on ES here at the bottom, we have SMT with NQ here. And let's take a look at YM. Yeah, YM has been pretty bullish there as well. So drop down. So come down to the 15 minute. We'll see, is there any 15-minute PD raise in here? So far, I mean, it would be pretty shocking if we were just respected this one, but I'll be looking for NQ to maybe take out some buy side. Let's see, let's switch this up. Let's take a look here. Minute. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. See where this 4 hour lines up. Be the kind of like these. These highs in here. So we have some buy side, 15 minute. Yeah, so be looking for have some relatively equal highs in here to be swept. Maybe even this high for sure. So I've already have buy side there, and we have some sell side liquidity in here. Be looking to get taken out. And of course we have our daily sell side liquidity. This is our external range liquidity down here, and then our daily fair value gap down here as well. So that's what I'm seeing on ES and NQ. And yeah, so until next time, guys, I will see you guys on Tuesday morning. All right, guys, be safe. Be careful trading Monday. I'm going to stay out. So guys, trade safe, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.